Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news. To start with, on Fascination's page, a couple of things of interest, one of which I haven't noticed it before, maybe I've missed it, but it looks like the Sweet Arlene P51 Mustang D is now available in stores. That's been there a while, I've missed it, but I believe today's the first day that I've seen it. I did check Innova Toys and they have it already in stock. Your Toy Mart doesn't. They probably will very soon. Now, I've been hearing rumors on the Metal Earth subreddit about Metal Earth retiring the cat models, and I haven't looked too much into it, and I haven't seen anything on their website myself, but I did notice today that if you go to the Metal Earth site, you go to look at all the models, the cat section has a little stripe or tag on it saying retiring soon. So if you're interested in the cat models and you haven't picked them up yet, now's the time to do it, get them before they're gone. However, with saying that, they did retire the Mass Effects and Halo models not too long ago, and you still can find some of those models in some shops in some places. So they didn't just disappear. Whether or not the Cats models will be the same way, I don't know that I'd take the chance if it's something I really want, but there it is. Why they're retiring the models, I don't know if it's a licensing issue, which is a possibility, or if they're just not selling and they're giving up on it. Speaking of the Metal Earth subreddit, there's a post very recently from Yin Fandi, which I've spoke of this individual before. They have a history of posting upcoming MU Transformers models and being very accurate in their posts. They claim to work for the company. They have posted a upcoming Transformers models from MU. The title of the post is New Models by MU, New Series of Transformers IDW. And I'll show you some pictures of them. It looks like there's an Optimus Prime model and a Megatron model. They look to be, and according to the comments, will be a little bit smaller and a little bit less expensive. And I'm guessing by the IDW tag in the comment, these are probably based on the IDW graphic novels or comics drawings of the particular Transformers models. MU's done a wonderful job with these larger Transformers models, but they are kind of pricey. It is nice to see, and a lot of people are excited that they will be doing something different and a little bit smaller and a slightly different variation. They look very cool. The Optimus Prime and Megatron, I believe it's Megatron that they've posted, look a little different and very cool. And I believe in the post it says that those models will be available February of this year, so not a very long wait. In previous videos, I've talked about a Captain America and Iron Man larger size model that's a little over 12 inches tall. And when I mentioned those two models, I did not know what brand makes the models, and I believe I had seen a comment on the Metal Earth subreddit about one of those models being a copy of the Metal Brick model that has been out for a while. They're very expensive. It's a different number of sheets and more or less a copy. I really don't know the details behind it, but I'm kind of bringing that up right now because recently somebody pointed out on the Metal Earth subreddit that on Crazy Toys website they have them listed under the Peace Cool category, which surprises me because they don't really look like an offering from Peace Cool. They don't share the usual packaging. They're not labeled in any way. The model number that shows up doesn't seem to correspond with the model numbers that Peace Cool usually uses. And if you go to the Peace Cool website, I'm not able to find anything on there about the large Iron Man or Captain America. I could be wrong, could be missing it. When I first saw these models, it was on the AliExpress site, and they're not categorized under Peace Cool, they're categorized under Other, which suggests to me that they're just some off name and they're not saying. Not completely uncommon on AliExpress. But under the Crazy Toys website, they're categorized under Peace Cool. I don't know why. I don't know if that's just a mistake or an oversight. I don't know. In time we'll find out, but I thought I would share. I'm still not sure who's making it, but I really kind of have my doubts about it being a Peace Cool model. And also, interestingly enough, the Iron Man model on the Crazy Toys website has copy in parentheses. I don't know why they would put that in there, what exactly that means, but it raises my suspicions further. And that's it for the news this week. Looking on AliExpress, there really isn't anything new on any of the stores that I've favorited. So that wraps it up. I hope everyone's having a very happy new year. I've got mine off to a start with a little bit of a cold, but hopefully that's going to improve. As you can see behind me, I'm in a different location. I rather enjoyed filming outside last time, and I've been thinking about it. And today I am out on Presque Isle in Erie County. So behind me you see Lake Erie and some of the dunes. Oddly enough, it's not covered in snow yet, but I'm sure that will change soon. As always, thank you to my Patreon supporters for giving me the freedom and support to make these videos. Consider becoming a Patreon supporter if you like these videos. A little bit goes a long way. I'll leave it at that. Thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.